Now, with new NTA guidelines, a 4-year honors student is eligible to apply for NET. So, either if you are a 4-year honors student with geography as the major subject, or you are a master's student with geography, what all subjects you can appear for your NET examination is one of the common questions that students usually ask. So, to begin with, the first subject is of course geography that you can appear for, which is very directly related to your subject, of course. The next important subject is population studies. So those specializing in the field of population can go for population studies. Another related subject is disaster management. So those specializing in geomorphology, geological aspects can go for disaster management. Then there is students who have a strong command on physical geography, specifically geomorphology, hydrology, climatology, oceanography, should also apply for CSIR Earth Science. Now CSIR Earth Science is a relatively difficult exam as compared to UGC NET in terms that this is more conceptual, more applied, and there are numerical questions which are asked with CSIR Earth Science which are usually not there with UGC. UGC, if it has the basic questions from statistics and cartography, nearest neighbor analysis and those kind of questions. But for CSIR you do have good numericals, good conceptual questions which are asked. Some of the good references which we would recommend for CSIR would be definitely covering at least one basic book on geology additional to your geography syllabus, which is really important if you want to qualify CSIR with good results. And another good reference is Planet Earth. Of course, we'll be talking about CSIR Earth Science in a separate lecture for more information and more details. But yes, for your UGC NET, the list of subjects is already up here. And as we said, these are some of the subjects, the applied subjects that you can appear for. And these are well related, well correlated to your subject geography. There are similar queries for students from other disciplines as well. So we'll be covering that in a separate video. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day ahead.